Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.28. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 68.49% since we first listed Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 58 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.18% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock currently resides in the upper part of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a pullback towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $169.38 would initially signify a stronger rate of ascent. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 61% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 41% and 64%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 18.48%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 67.19% and negative 18.48% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $54.62 and $135.71. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 2.68% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of July, 2025, rising from $162.12 to $166.47. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the stock continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 2.97%, with a low of $162.36 and a high of $167.18. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 13.69% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also rose on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 6 million more shares were traded than the previous day. Overall, 53 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.84 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $174.05, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 4.36%, or $7.58 below the 52-week high, and 26.76%, or $60.83 below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advancements in artificial intelligence continue to drive market dynamics, and AMD is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. The company is recognized as a formidable player in the AI sector, with its stock recently surging by 78% over the last 3 months. This momentum sets the stage for AMD's upcoming earnings report on the 5th of August, where analysts project earnings of around 49 cents per share and revenues to rise significantly by approximately 27% to $7.42 billion. The challenges faced by competitors like Intel could further benefit AMD, as analysts suggest that investors may increasingly turn to AMD and NVIDIA as safer bets in the semiconductor space. AMD's strategic focus on inference, which is expected to yield a larger total addressable market compared to training, strengthens its position, especially with the recent lifting of restrictions that could enhance revenue opportunities. In the short term, expectations surrounding earnings could create upward pressure on AMD's stock, while long-term prospects remain positive due to its involvement in the fourth industrial revolution, which emphasizes automation and connectivity. Overall, AMD's stock performance reflects a volatile but promising landscape, poised for potential growth, driven by trends in artificial intelligence and market share gains. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a hold rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Wolfe Research assigned AMD an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On the same day, Piper Sandler also assigned AMD an overweight rating with an upgrade action. Additionally, on that Thursday, HSBC assigned AMD a buy rating with an upgrade action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, Bernstein assigned AMD a reduce rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating an optimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $159.48 and $139.27. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, July 7, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 23.49%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal, 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 59 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 58 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 65 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 42 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $155.61 and $127.10. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $155.61. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $127.10 and $126.39. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.82 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.97%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.09%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 470 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume to determine your exit. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $155.61. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 35,996 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 12.46. In total, insiders purchased 623,620 shares and sold 817,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $161.01, indicating a decline of 3.28%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, which suggests a medium level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over the last 14 days, stands at 86, significantly heightening the risk factor. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a good choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of July, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower by $1.13, starting at $165.34. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important that you do not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.